Some of you have often heard me say, good leaders have vision, great leaders give vision. And you've asked, well, what does that really mean when I say good leaders have vision, but great leaders give vision? Here's what it is. When you're a good leader, you're committed to doing whatever it takes. When you're a good leader, it's you see the vision and you're willing. You're going to be here in 2 months, 6 months, a year from now. But there's a huge difference between a good leader and a great leader. A good leader not only is committed, but once they transition into a great leader, they know how to cast and convey that vision to other people. Because the other people, they're not sure if they can do this business. They're not sure if this business is worth it. They're not sure if they've got the capability or competence to make this business happen. So for you, your top goal is to help them see that vision, see themselves better than they can even see in their own selves. What do I mean by that? When they start out, they don't have the true confidence. And so many times we believe in them more than they believe in themselves. And that's my challenge for you is start getting better at casting that vision. Personal development can help them. Analogies can help them. So you can give examples and analogies. Like think about this in a real business. Most businesses don't turn a profit for 3 years. Why is it in this network marketing profession, if someone's only made $300 after 6 months, they think they're a failure? In the real world, that would be wildly successful if you were profitable after that long. So you see, I'm giving perspective. I'm giving them vision. I'm teaching them and showing them how it's possible. So that's my challenge for you. Let's do it. Let's make it happen.